My dear students, now I am going to explain types of electrodes or half cells and their reduction potential. Types of electrodes or half cells and their reduction potential. So mainly there are 5 types of electrodes which are frequently used in electrochemical cells. Mainly 5 types of electrodes are there. See first one, metal ion electrodes. Metal ion electrodes. This metal ion electrode contains a metal rod dipped in the aqueous solution of its own ions. This metal ion electrode contains a metal rod dipped in the aqueous solution of its own ions. Suppose if we take zinc electrodes, zinc rod is dipped in solution containing zinc ions. Copper electrodes, copper rod is dipped in solution containing copper ions. If we take silver electrodes, silver rod is dipped in solution containing silver ions. In general, we can write like this: Mn plus. This M is metal. It's a ion, Mn plus ion. Metal ion electrodes. This M is metal. When this metal is dipped or is immersed in a solution containing its own ions. So zinc, if we take zinc electrodes, Zn plus 2. See here electrode reaction. If Mn plus gains n moles of electrons, then M is formed. I wrote here reduction reaction. See, because types of electrodes are of cells and their reduction potential. Let us calculate their reduction potential. That's why I wrote reduction reaction. If Mn plus gains n moles of electrons, then M is formed. This is in aqueous state. M is solid. Suppose if we take zinc electrodes, Zn plus 2 electrons gives rise to Zn. Zn plus 2. If Zn plus 2 gains 2 moles of electrons, Zn is formed. This is in aqueous state. This is in solid state. Its electrode potential we can calculate by using Nernst equation. The Nernst equation is E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 by n log Q. For this, see E of Mn plus 2 M is equal to E naught of Mn plus 2 to M minus 0.059 by n log Q. That Q is nothing but reaction quotient. That reaction quotient formula, the product of molar concentrations of products divided by the product of molar concentrations of reactants at any stage during the progress of the reaction. So here log of this M is in solid state. We know that for solids active mass or molar concentration is taken as unity. For solids active mass is taken as unity, one only. Active mass is nothing but molar concentration only. For this one, so 1 by this Mn plus ion concentration. 1 by Mn plus ion concentration. For this metal ion electrode potential can be calculated by using Nernst equation. Electrode potential of that metal electrode is equal to, it is a standard electrode potential minus 0.059 by n log of 1 by Mn plus ion concentration. Next, second one is amalgam electrodes. Amalgam electrodes. This amalgam electrodes is similar to metal ion electrode only. This amalgam electrode is similar to metal ion electrode only. But here metal is replaced by its amalgam. It is similar to metal ion electrode only, but here metal is replaced by its amalgam with mercury. See, for example, instead of zinc amalgam, zinc ions. Just metal is replaced by its amalgam with mercury. Zinc amalgam is dipped in solution containing zinc ions. If we take copper amalgam electrodes, CuHz is dipped in solution containing copper ions. This is amalgam electrodes. Amalgam electrode is similar to metal ion electrode only, but here metal is replaced by its amalgam with mercury. Next, third one, See, third one is gas ion electrode or gas electrodes. Third one is gas ion electrodes or simply gas electrodes. Gas ion electrodes or gas electrodes. See, in this inert metal foil like platinum is immersed in a solution capable of furnishing the ions of gas. Gas ion electrode or gas electrodes. In this inert metal foil like platinum is immersed in a solution capable of furnishing the ions of gas. This gas ion electrodes, it contains inert metal foil like platinum is immersed in a solution capable of furnishing the ions of gas. For example, if we take hydrogen electrodes, platinum metal is dipped in that electrodes. That electrolytic solution contains H plus ions, and hydrogen gas is passed through that electrolytic solution. Platinum metal is immersed in a solution containing H plus ions, and hydrogen gas is passed through that electrolytic solution. Platinum hydrogen gas is passed through the solution containing H plus ions. This is example for gas ion electrodes. Gas ion electrode or gas electrodes. Platinum is inert electrodes. Platinum is inert metal, so it acts as inert electrodes. Hydrogen gas is passed through solution containing H plus ions. We can write one more example. Platinum chlorine gas is passed through solution containing Cl minus ions. Chlorine gas is passed through solution containing Cl minus ions. Even for this also we can calculate electrode potential. So gas ion electrodes, this is gas, this is ion. Gas ion. So gas ion electrode or gas electrodes. If we take this electrodes, if we take this hydrogen electrodes, here electrode reaction is for that hydrogen electrodes, electrode reaction. Say H plus electrons gives rise to H2. H plus ions, aqueous. Hydrogen is in gaseous state. Balance the equation, half mole of hydrogen gas. H plus ions, 1 mole of H plus ions plus 1 mole of electrons gives rise to half mole of hydrogen gas is formed. For this electrode potential, E of H plus to H2 is equal to E naught of H plus to H2 minus 0.059 by N. Here N is number of moles of electrons involved, while 1 mole of electrons are involved. Then take 1 log of reaction coefficient. Here hydrogen is in gaseous state, so we should take pressure of hydrogen. Number of moles of hydrogen gas 1 by 2, then power 1 by 2. Pressure of hydrogen power 1 by 2 divided by product H plus ions, H plus ion concentration. For this gas ion electrodes, electrode potential can be calculated by using Nernst equation. This is the reduction reaction for this electrode potential. E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 by N log of Q. That Q is nothing but pressure of hydrogen power 1 by 2 divided by H plus ion concentration. Next, fourth one. See, fourth one is metal metal insoluble salts, salt anion electrodes. So fourth one is metal insoluble salt, metal insoluble salt, salt anion electrodes. So in this metal is in contact with the sparingly soluble salt, and aqueous solution of salt containing same anion. In this type of electrodes, a metal is in contact with sparingly soluble salts and aqueous solution of salt containing same anion. See here that salt is almost insoluble. Say example, silver, AgCl, Cl minus ions. Metal insoluble salt, salt anion electrodes. Silver rod is dipped, or this silver rod is in contact with AgCl, insoluble salt. Silver metal, so solid. Silver metal is in contact with AgCl solid. This is insoluble salt. Salt anion. In this salt, see anion is Cl minus ion. So this Cl minus ion. Metal insoluble salt, salt anion electrodes. Metal is in contact with sparingly soluble salt. This is sparingly soluble salt. And aqueous solution of salt containing same anion. This metal is in contact with sparingly soluble salt or almost insoluble salts. And the aqueous solution of salt containing same anion. This is in aqueous state. Same electrode we can write like this also. Cl minus AgCl Ag. We can write like this also. Cl minus ions, aqueous, this AgCl, almost insoluble, silver rod, solid. We can write several examples, so many examples for this. See one more example. Hg2Cl2, Hg2Cl2, KCl. Mercurous chloride, KCl. We can write like this also. Mercury is in contact with mercurous chloride. This is almost insoluble salts. And its anion, this KCl, it contains Cl minus ions. It has one specific name, that is Calomel electrodes. It has specific name, that is Calomel electrodes. Next, one more example. If we take lead is in contact with lead sulfate. And aqueous solution of potassium sulfate. Solid, PbSO4, sparingly soluble salts, K2SO4. It should be in aqueous state. Metal insoluble salt, salt anion electrodes. Metal insoluble salt, salt anion. In this salt, anion is sulfate ion. So if we take potassium sulfate, in that potassium sulfate solution, in that aqueous potassium sulfate solution, anion is sulfate ion. These are the examples. If we take this electrodes, We can write electrode reaction like this. If we take this silver electrodes, say AgCl plus electrons gives rise to Ag plus Cl minus ions. AgCl plus electrons gives rise to Ag solid aqueous Cl minus ions. Electrode potential E of AgCl Cl minus ions, metal insoluble salts and salt anion is equal to E naught of AgCl Cl minus standard electrode potential minus 0.059 by, here 1 mole of electrons are involved, by 1 log of Q. For this we can take unity. For solids active mass is taken as unity. Then log of Cl minus ion concentration. By using this equation for this electrode we can calculate electrode potential. Next, last one. Last one is redox electrodes or oxidation reduction electrodes. Last one is redox electrodes. Redox electrodes or oxidation reduction electrodes. Redox electrodes or oxidation reduction electrodes. So in this it includes a platinum wire. Platinum wire dipped in a solution of mixture of two salts of the same metal. Two salts of the same metal with the different oxidation states. Redox electrode or oxidation reduction electrodes. It includes a platinum wire. It includes a platinum wire dipped in a solution of mixture of two salts of the same metal with the different oxidation states. See, for example, platinum wire is dipped in FeCl2 and FeCl3. Platinum wire is dipped in electrolytic solution containing Fe plus 2, FeCl2 and FeCl3. That FeCl2 contains Fe plus 2 ions, FeCl3 contains Fe plus 3 ions. So same metal is exhibiting two different oxidation states. We can take platinum wire is dipped in a solution containing cuprous ions and cupric ions also. In that cuprous chloride, oxidation state of copper is plus 1. In cupric chloride, oxidation state of copper is plus 2. See example, platinum Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3. Redox electrodes or oxidation reduction electrodes. This platinum wire is immersed or is dipped in a solution of mixture of two salts of the same metal with a different oxidation states. Ferrous only exhibiting two oxidation states, plus 2 and plus 3. Here reduction reaction is Fe plus 3 plus electrons gives rise to Fe plus 2. It should be in reduction form, aqueous state. Fe plus 3 plus electrons gives rise to Fe plus 2 ions. Its electrode potential we can calculate by using Nernst equation. Its electrode potential is E of Fe plus 3 to Fe plus 2 is equal to E naught of Fe plus 3 to Fe plus 2 minus 0.059 by, here 1 mole of electrons are involved, by 1 log Q. For this reaction, that Q is Fe plus 2 ions concentration divided by Fe plus 3 ions concentration. By using this Nernst equation, this electrode, redox electrode potential can be calculated. This is types of electrodes.